Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is at Crypto Mining at 2025. So on today's video, I'll be showing you how to change your PI wallet. So reasons being, maybe you've just found out that the wallet that is connected to your PI isn't the same that is in your browser wallet. So basically what I'm trying to say is that when you look at this wallet that you linked here, the wallet address which you are supposed to receive your tokens doesn't match with the wallet address that is in your PI browser here. And if these wallets don't match, that means you won't receive your PI tokens. Basically, your PI tokens will be migrated to this wallet address. And remember, maybe you have lost this wallet address and you can't recover it because you don't have the paraphrase. So okay, if you're in that situation, then don't worry. On this video, I'll be showing you how you can change your wallet before your PI coins get migrated to the lost wallet. You can see. So this only applies if your coins haven't been migrated or if you're waiting for the second migration of your tokens. So okay, let's get on how you change the wallet address that is connected. How you change it, just open, let's start from the beginning. Just open your PI app. After opening your PI app, come and tap these three tabs like that. Then come and select mainnet. Yeah, select mainnet. Then okay, you land on this section. Then tap on mainnet checklist. Tap on mainnet checklist. Then okay, this is the mainnet checklist where we have checklist 1 up to checklist 9, which is the last, where you are allowed to migrate, or you have been added to the queue for migration. But what we are more interested in is in the migration. We are interested in changing our wallet. So okay, this is where the trick goes in. You see these three tables here. This address, you lost it, you want to change it, you want to input a new address here. How you do that? Tap on create PI wallet. Create a PI wallet. So basically you want to create a new PI wallet so that you can switch it. So tap on create a new PI wallet, or if you don't want to create a new wallet, you can choose to go back and tap on confirm your PI wallet. Any option can work. So tap on confirm your PI wallet, then choose this option of creating a new wallet. Because we have already lost our previous wallet and we don't have that wallet address. Now create a new wallet. So yeah, create a new wallet. Tap on create a new wallet. Then okay, create a new wallet. Do not press back button until you finish the whole process. So yeah, tap on generate new wallet. So yep, generate new wallet. And there it is, our new wallet has been generated successfully. You are required to store your paraphrase. So copy the paraphrase because we are going to need it somewhere. Then okay, you can choose to use a fingerprint to secure your wallet, or just use the paraphrase. So okay, I'll just use my paraphrase. Then okay, of course you'll be required to unlock your wallet. So okay, unlock it using the paraphrase. Put the paraphrase there and tap on continue. Then let the wallet open. Then just tap close. Then yeah, you can see you have been generated a new wallet address. So basically this is the new wallet address that we want to use, because we have now created a new wallet. We have the paraphrase and you have the address. So this is the most suitable wallet to use in case you had lost your previous wallet. So okay, just come and tap here continue. Then voila, there we have our new wallet. Now how you confirm your new wallet so that it can be saved on the mainnet checklist is very simple. Just go back to the mainnet checklist. Then tap on confirm your PI wallet again. Now the paraphrase you had saved, paste it here. For my case, I won't paste it here because I don't want to change my paraphrase. Sorry, I don't want to change my wallet. I've changed it several of times. But for your case, paste the wallet address there and tap confirm wallet. When you do that, automatically it will confirm the wallet address, and the new address will be pasted here. So basically you'll be confirming you have that wallet, and the wallet address will be pasted here. And when it's pasted here, that means that your PI coins will be migrated to the wallet address that is pasted here. So that means your PIs won't be lost, but instead they will be transferred into the wallet that you have. So make sure you save that paraphrase correctly somewhere safe, that you won't lose it. So okay, after confirming your PI wallet, scroll down to where you can see sign acknowledge form. So basically this, when you change your paraphrase, when you change your PI wallet here, this form here, this acknowledge form here will also need to be changed. So how you change it? Come and tap sign acknowledge form. Then I will be asked to impute your PI paraphrase. You can see for my case, there's no option for me to impute my paraphrase. But for your case, after changing your wallet address, there will be an option for changing your paraphrase. So impute your paraphrase, confirm the wallet. After confirming the wallet address will be pasted there automatically, and that's how you change your PI wallet address in case you had lost your previous one. So, and when you do that correctly, you'll be on the safe side, and you'll just have to wait for you to receive your token. So basically that's how you change your PI wallet in case you had lost your previous one. So if you haven't subscribed my channel, please do so, and if you're to my channel, continue watching my videos for more mining updates.